This video is for introducing the method to display text value instead of number value when using pivot tables. It is rather common to work with matrix table with text values. Just Google search for images related to condominium unit diagrammatic keywords. You will see that unit diagrammatic chart is a very commonly used type of matrix table which is displaying text related to unit type. We can still make use of pivot table to convert tabular format data into matrix table and displaying text values instead of numbers or dates as shown in previous videos. We will need to use DAX formula to achieve this. Let us jump straight into a quick demonstration. Again, we are using the previous tabular dataset example for 3 blocks of residential flats. We have data related to the block, the level, the unit number and the unit type. First, we click on the dataset and insert a pivot table. Remember to click Add Data into Data Model since we need to add a measure to use DAX formula. Right-click on the range and add a measure to be able to display text in pivot table as value. We will be using the concatenatex function this round. For the table we will select range. For the expression we will select range type, since this is the text value we want to display. And for the delimiter we can simply select one such as this. Check that your DAX formula has no error and click OK. After this we can simply format our pivot table by selecting block as the filter. Select level as rows. Select unit number as columns and select the new measure created as value. Right-click on the grand total for row and for column to remove them. Resort the level to become bottom up instead and format the pivot table. To color code the table, we can use conditional formatting. Click on one cell inside the table, select conditional formatting. Click Add a new rule and select all cells showing text value. Select Use a formula, and use the search formula with wildcard to achieve the color code for 1-bedroom unit type. Click on Conditional Formatting and select Manage Rules and select Duplicate Rule and Edit Rule to format the color for the remaining 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom unit types. Once the formatting is completed, we can filter by block and copy and paste the pivot table to display the remaining blocks side by side. We hope that you find this as an easy method to display text value with pivot table using DAX formula concatenate X. We will review in future video a very simple method to create variations to also display other parameters such as which are the sold units. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button.